In this video, we can talk about top 5 Coqui AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Coqui channel. In today's tech-savvy world, speech technology keeps getting better, and Coqui AI has made a big impact. But you should not stop your search and keep looking for even better options. This is why we have come up with the top 5 alternatives of Coqui AI, which are ElevenLabs, Speechify, Lovo AI, Voicemaker, and Beyondwords. Each one has something special to offer, and together, they're changing how we use voice tech. Now let's take a closer look to the features of these alternatives. Our first alternative is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an advanced speech synthesis platform that empowers users to transform text into natural-sounding, expressive audio. It offers features like voice cloning, multi-language support, design custom AI voices, and speech synthesis. The platform enables users to inject emotions like happiness, excitement, or empathy into the generated speech, adding a human-like touch to the audio output. The standout feature of ElevenLabs is its ability to dynamically adjust the pace and rhythm of speech delivery, ensuring a smooth and engaging listening experience for the audience. Second alternative on our list, Speechify. Speechify is a revolutionary text-to-speech platform that enables you to listen to any text, be it articles, books, or documents, with unparalleled ease. It comes with excellent features like voiceover generator, voice cloning, and AI video generator. The tool syncs progress across various devices, enabling you to switch between them effortlessly. One of the standout features of Speechify is its AI-powered voice synthesizer that reproduces human-like speech with excellent clarity and intonation. Third one in our list is Lovo. Lovo is an AI-driven speech synthesis platform designed to generate realistic, human-like voices for a wide range of applications, including e-learning, narration, podcasts, and more. It offers features like video dubbing, granular voice control, and track zooming. Lovo's extensive range of voice selections, including celebrity-like voices, opens up unique opportunities for creative storytelling and captivating content creation. And one of the standout features of Lovo is its AI-based voice cloning technology, which lets you create custom voices that match specific individuals. Moving on, we have Voicemaker. Voicemaker is an intuitive online platform that simplifies the process of converting text into lifelike speech, enabling users to create engaging audio content effortlessly. Some of its excellent features like text-to-speech, multi-audio format support, and control voice speed. Voicemaker's AI-generated voices come with natural intonation and tonality, making the audio output sound authentic and engaging. The standout feature of Voicemaker is its ability to convert written text into speech with remarkable speed, enabling you to generate audio content in a matter of minutes. Last but certainly not least, we have Beyondwords. Beyondwords is an AI-powered emotion recognition tool designed to analyze and interpret emotions from speech patterns. It comes with amazing features like voice library, voice cloning, and automatic SSML. Beyondwords seamlessly integrates into various platforms, including social media, call centers, and streaming services. One of its standout features is its emotion recognition technology that can enhance the way businesses interact with their customers, leading to more empathetic and personalized experiences. Compared to Coqui AI, ElevenLabs offers an all-in-one transcription service that accommodates multilingual support, making it an ideal choice for businesses and individuals with global operations. Speechify excels in the text-to-speech realm. Its adaptive learning technology ensures human-like speech synthesis, providing a lifelike listening experience. The platform's extensive language support and cloud sync feature add further convenience and versatility to users. Lovo distinguishes itself through its AI-based voiceover platform that helps to create professional-grade voiceovers. Voicemaker's specialization lies in text-to-speech capabilities, allowing you to generate lifelike human speech with unparalleled clarity. And Beyondwords takes a unique approach by focusing on emotion recognition from speech patterns. Among the given alternatives, we would recommend Lovo as the best alternative to Coqui AI. Lovo stands out as the best alternative to Coqui AI due to its unique and powerful AI-based voiceover platform. While Coqui AI focuses on speech-to-text capabilities, Lovo offers a specialized solution for generating professional-grade voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. Unlike other alternatives, Lovo allows commercial usage of its generated voices, especially valuable for content creators and businesses seeking to use voiceovers for promotional material, advertising, and other commercial purposes. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.